My name is Dustin Johnson. I'm a mechanic here at Arnt Construction. I work on the equipment and the dump trucks. I've been here for 20 years now. All right, so this is a 2006 379 Pete. Right now it's got 768,000 miles on it. We did an engine overhaul in 2023. At the same time, we pulled the whole engine and tranny, sent the transmission out to be rebuilt. When we did the engine overhaul, we also converted it from a twin turbo to a single turbo. The reason we went from a twin turbo to a single turbo is so that you get more increased power, longevity of the motor, and fuel efficiency. We've done all our own maintenance on these machines from day one. They recommend at 500 hours, but we do them at 300 hours intervals on the oil changes. Okay, so this is one of our 379s. It's got 719,000 miles on it. This one was overhauled in 2019. Same thing again, this was out of frame, so we pulled the motor and transmission out, sent the transmission to be rebuilt, and then overhauled the engine and stuffed them back. This one also had the single turbo conversion. And the trucks that we've done the single turbo conversions come with the tuner that we've installed. So there is 3 different settings. There's economy, power, and economy and power. We currently have them set at power. All right, this is one of our 2006 379s. It's one of our lube truck, or our lube truck. It's got the C11 in it, 380,000 miles on this one. All the regular maintenance done on it, so parked inside its entire life. So this is where all our hose reels come out. You've got engine, hydraulic, transmission, oil. There's a greaser, fuel for fueling up equipment as well. And then you're able to hook up shop air while you're inside of a building, so that way you don't have to keep the truck running to use any of the pumps on the vehicle. All right, so this is our oldest 379. It's a 1987. It's got 1.5 million on it for miles. It was one of the owner's trucks, so it was very well maintained. And it was originally a sleeper cab, but we converted it over into a day cab. And this one's got the 3406B model. So it is over 40 years old, so you never know it just looking at it. So it's been well maintained.